Today we take you on a tour of the most beautiful and famous Ibn Battuta Mall in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. After watching the video, be sure to express your opinion in the comment box. Thank you. Have you ever entered a mall and felt like you had stepped into 6 different worlds at the same time? Welcome to Ibn Battuta Mall, Dubai. A place where shopping is not just shopping. It is a journey through history, architecture, culture, and imagination. From the grand outdoor views to the stunning indoor courts. Every corner of this mall tells a story. This is not just one of Dubai's most beautiful malls. It is a destination where the spirit of travel comes alive. So stay with me till the end. Because in the next few minutes, you are going to see why Ibn Battuta Mall is one of the most unique places to visit in Dubai. As we begin from the outside, the first thing you notice is the scale of the place. The entrance looks grand, clean, and beautifully designed, just like Dubai itself. The roads, the lighting, the palm trees, and the architecture all create that perfect Dubai feeling: modern, organized, and impressive. The exterior of Ibn Battuta Mall gives you a small preview of what is waiting inside. It does not look like a regular shopping mall. It feels more like the entrance to a historic palace, a cultural museum, and a luxury destination all combined. This mall is named after Ibn Battuta, the legendary traveler and explorer who journeyed across many parts of the world centuries ago. The mall takes inspiration from the lands connected to his travels and transforms them into 6 breathtaking themed courts. Each court has its own design, colors, patterns, ceiling work, lighting, and atmosphere. As you walk from one section to another, it feels like moving from one country to another without leaving Dubai. This is why Ibn Battuta Mall is not only for shopping. It is also for people who love travel, photography, architecture, culture, family time, and peaceful indoor exploring. Now look at this beautiful section. The China Court is one of the most eye-catching parts of the mall. The colors, the high ceilings, the traditional details, and the dramatic design make it feel like a scene from an ancient Chinese palace. Every angle here is perfect for video. The architecture gives a royal feeling, and the atmosphere feels calm but powerful. You can simply stand here for a few moments and admire the details. This is the kind of place where even a normal walk becomes cinematic. The lights, the decorations, and the open space make this section one of the most memorable parts of Ibn Battuta Mall. As we move forward, the mood changes completely. Welcome to the India Court, a section full of rich design, traditional inspiration, and beautiful artistic details. This court reminds visitors that Ibn Battuta Mall is not just made for shopping bags and restaurants. It is made to tell stories. Every wall, every arch, and every design element adds something to the experience. Now the journey continues into the Persia Court and Egypt Court, where the architecture becomes even more dramatic. The designs here feel grand, artistic, and full of old-world charm. In the Persia-inspired areas, you can feel the beauty of traditional patterns, domes, and elegant details. It has a soft royal look that makes the entire space feel peaceful and luxurious. Then comes the Egypt-inspired side, where the theme becomes bold and historic. The colors, columns, and ancient style design create a powerful visual effect. It feels like Dubai has brought a piece of ancient civilization into a modern shopping destination. This is where the video becomes even more engaging, because every frame looks different from the previous one. This is the magic of Ibn Battuta Mall. One moment you are in China, then India, then Persia, then Egypt, then Tunisia, then Andalusia. It is like a world tour under one roof. But of course, Ibn Battuta Mall is not only about architecture. It is also a complete shopping and lifestyle destination. You can find fashion stores, daily essentials, restaurants, cafes, entertainment options, and family-friendly activities. Whether you are visiting with friends, family, kids, or even alone, there is something for everyone here. You can shop, eat, relax, walk around, take photos, or simply enjoy the atmosphere. Unlike some malls that feel too crowded or too fast, Ibn Battuta Mall has a unique charm. It gives you space to explore. It gives you a story to follow. And it gives you a reason to stay longer than planned. What makes Ibn Battuta Mall truly special is the combination of history and modern Dubai lifestyle. Many malls around the world offer shopping, food, and entertainment, but very few malls offer this kind of cultural journey. Here, you do not just see shops. You see art, you see architecture, you see stories from different civilizations. You see how Dubai can take an idea from history and turn it into a modern experience for visitors from all over the world. That is why this place is perfect for tourists, content creators, families, and anyone who wants to see something different in Dubai. So this was the beautiful Ibn Battuta Mall Dubai. Stunning from the outside, magical from the inside, and unforgettable in every corner. If you ever visit Dubai, do not just visit the famous skyscrapers and beaches. Come here and experience a mall that feels like a journey through time. And if you enjoyed this beautiful tour, like the video, share it with someone who loves Dubai, and follow for more amazing places around the UAE. If you enjoyed our video, we would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us improve, so if you notice any mistakes, kindly let us know. We'll be motivated to bring you even more amazing content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel UAE